wano ewalukuba nga tuze kugulawo eddwaliro ery'obujjanjabi obwa kansa. Nga Church of Rome eya Roman Catholics baatuwa ettaka kwe tutaddeko eddwaliro lino, naye eddwaliro kati bamaze oliteekako obuyambi obujjanjaba abalwadde. Tubadde tusaba gavumenti etukwatireko naffe nga division etuwe ku ssente eziwerawerako so that facility etambula n'abalwadde bafuna obujjanjabi obulungi.
Now, Dr. Charles Olara, I am appealing to you in the next cycles of budgets. We want to see this center as one of those centers we are going to facilitate as government. On my side, I'll mobilize the committee responsible to ensure that what you have agreed with Sister Francis is actually appropriated correctly to the center here. Because they have actually done the first step, they've created the center. And now it's just usables and the materials that are needed, which really are within your reach.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.